Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access and use the reading mode on Brave browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me tell you that they changed or made changes to that reading mode feature here on Brave browser recently, but you can still access it. Let me show you how you can do it in 2026. So you will find it in your browser settings and need to enable it from there first so that you may use it for your websites and access them through the reading mode. You will then see here on the right panel. So access your browser settings through these three lines on top right, select settings, and here inside your settings navigate to content, and you will find the reading mode here under the name Speed Reader. So all you need to do in 2026 is make sure that this and this option here is enabled. And after that, simply navigate to your website or page you would like to view in the reading mode. I don't have any good example right now, but let me explain how it would look like. You will see a small reading icon here at the right end of the URL of the visited page, so that you may click into it and after that see the web page's content written here in the reading mode panel, like you did in the past with the old reading mode on Brave browser. Now I don't have any example here guys, but that's how it works. Just bear in mind that the speed reader mode is not always available for each and every page, as you can see. So but if possible, if available, you may see the small icon here, just like I explained a moment ago. So that's how you use the reading mode on Brave browser in 2026 guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.